Here is what you need to repair your Sport Cub S2. First, you have to use this and cut the tape on the side. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think you can see it, but cut the tape, and then you can take the top off, like I did, and you can unplug it if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. My engine was loose, so I had to glue it like this. So I use this glue, and I use this just to get some glue on my fingers. And then to take it on again, you have to see these two wires at the back there. You have to line them up between the two pins and just slowly push it down, or push it into place like this. Then you take some tape and tape it. When you tape it on the back, you have to be very careful so you don't tape the wires. So you can use this to just cut the tape that is too long away from it, as I'm gonna do now. Now it is finished, like you see. Tape on the sides, and the engine is in place. Don't move. So let's take it out and fly.